A lot of homes with a noise problem that have a hole in the structure, they're hearing kids screeching, they're hearing the neighbour's TV and actually hearing the presenter's voice on the TV, and they can tell what programs their neighbours are watching on the TV. Those are all signals of a hole in the structure. You can find out if you have a hole in the structure by checking the loft. That's the first thing you want to do, because that will give you an idea of what the rest of the separating party wall will look like. The next thing is the bedroom floors. Pull up the bedroom floors and check for holes there, and if you do have a suspended floor void, you want to check for holes there. But just to note, we often find holes around chimney stacks, bay windows, old door linings that are on the separating party wall, and the old skirting in the older properties too. And it's not just old properties that we find holes in. These holes here are from new build properties, this one behind dot and dab plasterboard wall, and this one underneath a new chipboard floor. As I said, we find holes in about 75% of the properties we attend. So always check for holes in the structure.